What's up, gang? It was my first trading day back in 3 weeks. I was on vacation in Thailand for the last 3 weeks. I tried to do some trading there my first week. Unfortunately, that didn't go in my favor and I blew an XFA, but you know what? You gotta touch the fire to learn the lesson. So I want to get into what I saw today, what I did today, how I was feeling actually today. I'm still, I didn't get the best night's sleep last night. I'm still fighting some jet lag. So I, was on the fence about trading it all this morning, but we had a coach's call corner on as part of the Black Shirt Club with the community I trade with. So, it got me fired up and wanting to look for a trade. So I spent the last week in a vacation in Thailand, not even looking at the charts, like completely detaching and just enjoying the vacation. So trying to figure out the price action today and trying just even to come up with a little bit of a bias or where did I think the markets were going to do or go was a tough, really tough time for me today. So let's just get into what I was looking at and kind of where I was going and my thesis this morning. So getting to the desk this morning, obviously I had not traded at all last week. I didn't even really look at the charts. I did read through the notes in our Discord, in our trading community. And so, I saw that there was a ton of bearish price action all last week. People were making money on the shorts. So coming into the morning, I open up the 15-minute chart, and as I go back and look, we're just making these lower lows, lower highs, and price is just pulling down. I have my value area low, my point of control, my value area high marked off on my chart. And as you can see, this is Friday's New York VWAP. Price got above it, came back down. Sunday opened below it, pushed back above it, and then got below it, along with the start of day VWAP. And we get a push down here to the value area low. And as you can see, as we come into the value area low, we sit here, it tries to get above it again, rejects, comes back below, tries again now here and comes back below. Now we're heading into market open. So I'm looking for now price, if it stays under the value area low, to make a new lower low. So basically looking for price to come down. Let's get into the trade. So coming into market open this morning, you can see here clearly that we have this price action. Price opens, comes below the New York VWAP, pushes back above. We're on ASFX Live TV. Evan is talking about, potentially taking a mid-range long here if anybody took it. And I don't think anybody did. Maybe a few people did, but, again, I was still feeling the effects of the jet lag, not having a great night's sleep. So I'm being away for 3 weeks and blowing the XFA, just all the emotions I was feeling, not my most confident, and I was just a little bit nervous. So anyway, I'm not doing anything. I'm just watching. As price comes back up to the top here and starts to pull back down, Austin starts looking at taking a short and talking about taking a short, and it's spilling over. Now this test of the New York VWAP and then this next break of the New York VWAP would have been a nice entry for a short. As you can see, it comes back down. Even this retest of the New York VWAP that it can't get back above is another entry, another beautiful entry for another short. Again, I'm still on the fence. I'm still waiting. It's still early in the morning, and I'm trying to, something I'd learned while I was away on vacation was just maybe taking a little bit more time before I enter a trade, maybe waiting 30 minutes. Just give myself, especially on days where I'm not feeling my best, is just to kind of let the market kind of play out and not get induced into anything. So now we have the opening range set. We get below it. Put a low a day anchor on here, low a day VWAP. Price comes back up, tests this opening range low, and then we break below it again. We take the low a day VWAP, I enter short. Bookmap is showing a ton of orders, 65, 60, 50, 45, 40, like it's all lit up below. And there was some orders earlier up at 20, which we were looking at when this long scenario was playing out. But as you can see clearly here now, the sellers are in control. I enter this short position. I could have looked to take profits on this candle here where we get this. It was a bunch of orders filled. and then you got some buying strength on the return. I did not. I might have if I was maybe 100% present at the desk. And I just, again, I'm going to say this, I wasn't feeling, I wasn't feeling there. Anyways, as price comes back up, we get another retest of this and rejection of the opening range low. And as price comes back down, we have the initial balance setting in now. And then on this candle, I take profits here as we get back down to this level of this previous pin. I just basically got my 1 hour out of the trade. I was good for the day. I was, starting to really feel the fatigue kick in. That's just being at the desk for an hour. So I kind of wanted to be off the desk. Took my trade, closed it here. I'm up 272. This is a 50K straight to funded Tradeify account that I'll be trading now. I'm going to be exclusively trading Tradeify now for a while here. I have 2 of these 50K straight to funded accounts that I'll be trading. I'm going to, I don't have any XFAs with Top Step. I'm going to kind of take a step back. I have 3 combines that I'll just roll over every month. So when I am done trading and I see something arise, I might take a trade in those combines just to get them over the line. But they're not my main focus. Tradeify is my main focus right now. So basically, I'm going to be trading these 2 accounts, one probably more aggressive than the other. I haven't quite decided yet, but it's something I'm going to be working on this month and something I'll be sharing with everyone. So this is my month overall, but clearly, I was on vacation, so it looks kind of bare. But at the end of the day, I'm starting the week. I'm up $280 on this account. Let's see how things play out. I'm going to take it easy still probably the next few days until I can get a solid night's sleep and get in the gym in the morning and just hammer out my routine like I normally do. I got a bunch of things done this morning. I had a cold shower, had my electrolytes. I was able to get breath work in, but I want to get a couple more things into that routine that I normally do. And then I'm looking to, start to get these accounts closer to a payout and get a payout hopefully this month. Let's see what happens.